Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to make a 5-minute ranch dip. I'm going to be using a package of the Hidden Valley Ranch softened Philadelphia cream cheese. So I'm going to get started here. It's a party favorite. And one thing with this dip here, you can add whatever you like. You can put chives in it, peppers in it, cilantro. You can add what you want to add in. Today I'm just going to make quick and easy. Ranch dips is one of my favorites. Okay. So I have the dip in here. I had already let it set out to soften. Using this spatula here, whip it up some. Okay, next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the ranch mix in here. The contents of the whole packet is what I use. Now I'm gonna mix it together. You'll like it. With some chips, it's good. Adding peppers, hot peppers, or whatever you like to add in here is optional. Depend on your taste buds and what you like. So all it takes is just the 2 ingredients: softened Philadelphia cream cheese and a package of Hidden Valley Ranch. I've also tried the package from Aldi's and it tastes just as good. So it's just as good. So there you have it. Take less than 5 minutes to whip something like this up. But if you want to add anything, peppers, different things like that, that's optional. And this is what it's looking like. Like to eat mine with the chips here. So that's what I use for mine. So, Hidden Valley Ranch softened Philadelphia cream cheese. And you have yourself some ready-made ranch dip. Thank you for watching. If it's your first time visiting my channel, please feel free to hit the subscribe button. Also, leave me a comment. Let me know how you like this if you decide to make it. Just want to know how it came out for you. But this is it. Takes less than 5 minutes to whip up to make. So, gonna eat mine with some of my little tortilla chips over there. And this is it. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.